You know what? I'm just gonna complete every single main level real quick. Before I do 9 circles, I must do every main level. Because I should.
That's a good idea, actually, yeah.
That means you... Alright, I've not done Quarter Funk yet, and I don't know why.
Yes.
I remember playing this in a restaurant on my phone. I don't know why. Part C? No. Why would the game do that to me? Why didn't I jump?
Yes! I beat Black Wizard! I'm not even. I actually just
Yes.
beat it. I actually just beat it. Let's go.
It was just...
The
Did you
LDM.
got it?
I did. Wait, let me just check. All recorded. Mic's on and everything. Let's
good.
go. I'm just in around 9,000 because that's how much it actually took me.